How to copy and paste on your iPhone keyboard. Here's a step-by-step guide to copy and paste text or photos on your iPhone, with an extra tip about using gestures. Copying text 1. Select the text. Tap and hold on the text you want to copy, e.g. on a website or email. Blue dots will appear around the selected text. Adjust these dots to highlight exactly what you want. 2. Copy the text. Once the text is selected, tap Copy from the menu that pops up. 3. Paste the text. Open the app where you want to paste the text, e.g. Notes, Messages. Tap and hold where you want the text to go, and select Paste when the menu appears. Copying photos 1. From a website or app. Tap and hold the photo until a menu pops up. Select Copy from the options. 2. From the Photos app. Open the photo, tap the share icon, bottom left corner, and choose Copy Photo. 3. Paste the photo. Navigate to the app where you want to paste the photo, e.g. Notes, Mail. Tap and hold, then select Paste. Using gesture controls, Apple's 3-finger gestures make copying and pasting even faster. To copy, select the text or photo, then swipe in with 3 fingers, pinch in. To paste, tap where you want to paste and swipe out with 3 fingers, pinch out. Quick notes. This method works in most apps, including Safari, Notes, Mail, and Messages. If gestures aren't working, ensure the feature is enabled under Settings, other than Accessibility, other than Touch. That's all there is to it. Whether you're working with text or photos, copying and pasting is simple and even faster with gestures. Let me know if you need any more help. I hope this guide helps. If it did, consider subscribing or leaving feedback. It means a lot. Thanks.